Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a big package here, and it says Merci, and it came from Canada, and it is one of my favorite vlog posts shop. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Espace Tricot, and I don't know that I'm saying that right either, but I think it's pretty close in my American, totally accenty, French accenty anyway. I might have an accent, but it's certainly not anything to do with French. Espace Tricot is, I think, how she says it, and I am super excited. I have some yarn and some other fun things, and I just can't wait to open it, and I want to take you guys with me. So I'm digging right in. If you guys haven't seen their vlog before, please check them out because they are fabulous. It's two friends who opened a yarn shop in, oh my gosh, they opened a yarn shop in Canada about 6.5, 7-ish years ago, and they are so sweet and so kind, and they do beautiful designs, and most of them, at least all of that I know, are free on Ravelry. And they are fabulous. They make me feel like they're chic and sophisticated, and I hope to knit some because I want to be as chic and sophisticated as they are. Not that I probably will be, but we can pretend, right? Okay, so I'm gonna angle this down for a second so you can see the marvelous pile of yarn that I have before me. Okay. I should have saved this for Vlogmas, but I didn't. Okay, so first I'm going to grab this Woolfolk Luft, and it says $21.95 on it, so I'm assuming that's how much it is. Per 50 grams, 109 yards, use a US size 9 to 11. I know that I have some of this in a different colorway, but I couldn't help but get it, and $21.95 is probably the Canadian price. So it's a little less expensive in US dollars. And oh my gosh, this Luft is luxurious. It is beautiful. And this is in the color L8. So I know that they, if I remember right, they only number their colors. They don't really have names. So this is like, I'm going to say a light gray. The color, my lighting, that might be a better true color of this. It's beautiful, and I got 2 of those. It looks like, no, I got 3 of those. I don't even know what my intention was. I need to go look at my notes to see what I intend to make with this, but it is beautiful, and I am super excited about it. And then I have one skein of this beautiful vintage Barocco in aubergine. Oh, and I do have I'm going to make a shawl with these, and these were the colors that I picked out. So these are all the Barocco vintage, and these are the colors that I picked out for my shawl. So I have, there, that might show a little better. I need to get that green one up there. Oh, and there's one, okay, that purple, I need to turn the other way. There, that's a better view of the colors. It's hard to pick out colors online, really. I probably should have called them and asked them for some help. These 2 colors are a little closer together than I expected, and that green is a little greener than I expected. But I mean, it's still beautiful. And this yarn is super soft, and I think that I can still do the shawl with those colors. I'm not too worried about it. This doesn't have a name on it, but I think it was the color ash, but it's 51183, and it is the Barocco vintage, and it says that it was $11.50 per skein, but again, this is Canadian, so it's less expensive than that, and they were having a Black Friday sale, so I just remembered that, but I do know that I didn't pay full price for anything as far as I remember. So this is just, it's beautiful, squishy, very nice. It is 52% acrylic, 40% wool, and 8% nylon. and it's 100% beautiful. So I have 2 of those of that ashy color, and then I have one of this maybe denim color. It's 51184. And then again, that green color. This is like a kind of a army green, and it is 5175. And then I have a cat down there, but I have this pretty purple color, and it is 5190. What? Oh, and this is the one that says aubergine. You know what? Maybe there is a color on, oh no, there's not. There is on this one. And this one says fennel. And this one just says vintage. So those are the only ones with the color on them. Aubergine and fennel. And then I have this purple that has specks of blue. Sorry, the lighting just went crazy, didn't it? It is really pretty, this color. And it says Bouquet Garni. Oh yeah, now I remember picking out the colors. And it was a little bit difficult, like I said, to pick them out. There were lots of colors, which is great, but it was kind of hard to choose when you're looking online. But I think that those will go okay. My cat is up here. Hi, baby boy. Oh, this is Fuzzy Woo Dogger. Hi, Fuzz. Are you Mama's boy? You want to say hello to everyone? Say hello. You've been coming around a lot lately. He says, hello, everyone. I'm the cutest little Fuzz. Fuzzy Wuzzy. I could just sit here and kiss him all day long. I love this cat. Aw, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. Yes, you are. You're so sweet. You're a good boy. Mama's boy. And you're warm. Yes, you are. You're so warm. You feel good. You got your fuzzy britches on. Yeah. Well, how about you go that way, okay? All right. And then I have one more skein of yarn. He's back up. And this is Shibui Silk Cloud. Now, one of the women on... that scared him even. One of the women on Espace Tricot uses this Shibui Silk Cloud in lots of things. She will just mix this with a different yarn and make something just gorgeous with beautiful cloud of, what's this called? Oh, what's the fuzz called? Does it say? Mohair. And this is 60% kid mohair and 40% silk. So you can imagine how soft this is. And this is 330 yards and 25 grams. So how many yards? 330, whereas this is 218. So this is 100 yards more, and look at the size difference. It's so funny. So this is really, really thin, like lace weight, and this is in the color Raspberry, which is a beautiful pink that I thought I could mix with another pink that I have, or anything really. I could maybe even mix it like with gray. I might try it with a different color just to see, or maybe even with brown. I wonder if that would be pretty. But I'll see what I can do. I just know that I love it because she uses it all the time, and I'm like, oh, I want to be like her. And it is lace weight. Now this one says $31.95, but again, it's Canadian, and again, it was on sale. But I know that I have another Shibui Silk Cloud that I purchased, and I believe it was more like $25 in the States. So, and if you spent enough, you got free shipping, and I kind of think the enough was $150. I don't exactly remember. No, actually, now that I think about it, it was $200, but it was Canadian. And she wrote, thank you, happy knitting, Tammy, Amelia. And she gave me a cute business card. So here's the business card. Melissa and Lisa are the names of the shop owners. And there's a cute little light bulb stitch marker, and it says handmade on it. And they are in Montreal, Quebec. So it's very cute. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you probably can't read it, but it does say handmade. Super cute. And they stapled the receipt to it, and so it was $200 Canadian, gets you free shipping, but that again was a lot less American. I can't speak. I'm trying to get this silly staple out because I don't want to kill myself on the staple. There we go. Throw that away. I'm going to keep the card. And that's not it. I have a couple more things in this bag. Gosh, that's funny. This is like fluorescent pink. It doesn't show up fluorescent pink, but it is fluorescent pink. Okay, so I got 2 of these, and it says hand wash, lay flat to dry, and they are just tags that I thought would be nice to put in a garment like a sweater or something when I start making those kinds of things to give to people, so that they won't mess up, or well, the chances of them messing up on how to wash it will be lower. And yeah, so there's those, and I think you get 3 in each. I'm trying to figure that out. And they had other ones that said like maybe made with love and things like that. And then also I got, this is I Love Handles. It is a wrist ruler. And they have different sizes and different colors, but it came all rolled up into this little tin. And it is a ruler. I purchased the black one, and I think I got the longest one you could get. It is leather, and it is 43 centimeters or 17 inches, and it closes with a little ball, and well, I'm sure you have to just play with it a little bit to get it to do its thing. But it's the little ball closer. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm just struggling to get it closed, but there we go. And it fits on your wrist, and you can double it up and wear it twice on your wrist, or once around your neck if you wanted to, I suppose. And you just close it, and then you always have your ruler with you, which I think is just kind of cool, and it just looks neat. And they had black, they had dark brown, they had a lighter brown, and maybe even a medium brown, but I know that there were several colors to choose from. I picked black just because I wear a lot of black and it's my favorite, but you could pick whatever color you wanted. And I'm sure that because this is leather, it will work, and I guess you could wear it, you know, on your wrist, or you could put it on a project bag or whatever you wanted. So I am kind of excited about that. I think it's really cute, and I think it would be a really nice gift too for your knitter or crocheter in your life. And it's a cute little tin that you could reuse for other things. And it just says, I Love Handles Wrist Ruler. So there you go. All right, that's everything from Espace Tricot, and I think that about does it for my Black Friday shopping, I think. Whew. I don't know if you guys have been along for the hauls, for the long haul, but I have had some this week that have been posted. I mean, the last several days I've posted a pretty nice haul. So I'm excited about it, and I hope that you guys find something that you like, and don't forget to tell them that TT.Scraps sent you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.